bending knees. Father, I pray, who gives it up? Who, Lord, help me. What did I say? I said, that's an easy road. Ever you ever, I had a close one. Jump for the nation. Listen, what a firm medication. One day, go to Ghana. Hey, about that water. Yeah, one day. This one. What a firm medication. One day. I miss you so much. The rich is wise in their own conceit. Search them out. Bring more, but their riches increase. Never you breathe, cause nothing lasts forever. Heaven not for your presence. I and I wanna rule my destiny. If the place with big touch, I love just so much. I feel I'm fighting, I am not giving hope. Then well not Zion full of a spiritual hope. Wisdom understanding shall never be too much. Shall I die there or not? From even the best in earth that walk it and tailor. Destiny. Oh mama, look from where you go. Destiny. Oh mama, I say I wanna rule my destiny. I wanna rule my destiny. Cast away fear, call troubles. You hold it in the region, in the eye of decision. Restraining those heathens with a rod of iron. They know not the destiny of the next man. Why you live? Set him free for too long. Don't like to rule. They say to me, so bunch of men, what do you plan to do? I tell him this. My destination is homeward bound. The forces try all night long. Breaking chains has become the norm. I know I'm ready. Are you? Oh, the Rasta can never oh, my hands and hand is slow. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe. I say, watch out for the people. Oh, my hands and plan is too. Don't let them, oh, don't let them. Don't believe. Why try to make I unhappy? Really, I don't know. If it was up to them, I say, oh, God. Never see the sun on the snow. Is that me? I want to honor. I know some less honor. I want to get the people in here. You better go get some Red Bull. Hey! Over there! Over there! Over there! Over there! Alright! Well, what if I'm going to take some stars? Damn it, Chopper! Bulo! Love your body, you can't see you die. Hug up your lover when you touch my time. Can you eat about everything fun? Then I cash and you close the pan line. Jamaicans can't like a what? I'm Buju Banton and don't stop. No, hold your waistline. When we no look, we don't let me off him. I'm going to show them the easy. Open this out. I'm going to say you do that about it. You're no good. Reach out. I say, bring it up. Whoa. Bring it up. Them say Buju. Oh, him. When him come back, him remember how to DJ. I when me asleep, me can DJ. Let me tell you something, look. Not a competition, this is not a race. Buju what Buju me know in not a race. Build up the music, not to fight and trace. Build up it when can pick in the rotate. Them listen me, everything or everything. Break it up, let me slow down. Let me talk to the people, them try to be in the new lyrics now. Just give me a beta 58, please. Bring it along. Alright. Now everything on my head, everything I bring. Me music on me woman, no man not in my head. Who a pussy, I still pussy, me not trust them like feds. Don't do them too bad. Alright. Look. If you come check me, me know where you are. Tired of the man, the way that I'm the same around. No one go under, I know me laugh. Plant on me, yeah. She tell Patsy, now I say me cool. Good exercise, but she don't need a hole. Touch on the right place, you lose control. Alright, hey, look how I me fix, alright. Pump them out, I clean the whole time. Comment so she can't cry. She call it. Bring it. And to be the only in your life, I wanna be the only. I want to be the only, yes. I want to be the only. Say yeah, yeah, yeah. No big up, no way. I want that, I want that down here. All of them was sample, and then if they trample, I know nothing down here. On the road. Hit it, hit it. Everything you want it, and I know I think, oh you want it. I don't know that time to know you want to hear you do them. Oh my God. Here it is. Walk like a champion. Want to be somebody, girl? Not by your age. Hold on, man, hold on. What is this? Kingston or Montego Bay? What is this? I don't know. I would like to know. Because when there's a soul and them eat, when the soul I gonna walk past the food, let me fix it. Walk like a champion. Want to be somebody, girl? Not your age. You walk like a champion. You want to be somebody, girl? Only more than time to take you and lead you to the promised land. All you got to do is be true. Earth's gonna respond. I got the word of my time and over it. You must allow run to alone one. Make sure you're not the same thing. Don't you need to put you sweet and don't you know out. If I do your job, I'll it. Don't you want time there? Woman, you see your body right now. You must be wanting it. These styles, bring it up. Big it up. Some of you might be pretty young. I'm ready. What's too young? Big it up. To have been introduced to Butcher Banton. Break it down. Hi. This is Mark Myrie, aka Butcher Banton. I'm sorry I didn't meet you earlier due to unforeseen circumstances. However, I'm here now. And I'm gonna take you back a little to just educate you about the early 90s and how we dedicated ourselves to change the culture of our music, the direction of our music. Boy, anytime you go, we go a little bit deeper. We went deeper. I have never seen a girl look so pretty and so very pretty little rented. We went further. Tell me, see, he loves me, I can get you tonight. And then we said, oh, man, the kitty girls are. But listen to me. We had respect, a whole lot of it. We had to. You guys are playing around today. You have none, most of you. We the older folks, we're gonna stand for it. So when you see we in the dance hall, and you know you're not behaving yourself, and you hear this play, you know what time it is. Yeah boy, I'll be your trouble, you walk in.